Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Yeah guys, thank you for always tuning in. Yes guys, today it's Monday, slow Monday guys. So I'm gonna be cooking some white rice or pumpkin rice. I'm gonna make up my mind it, and some curry chicken. Yeah guys, that's on the menu today. Remember, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. So yes guys, tune in. Remember to subscribe. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit that post notification bell so that as I post a video, you get notified. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get I posted that video yesterday guys. Let's get it to 10k, 100k, right? So yeah guys, also I want you guys to go on my Instagram and follow my close friends guys, my patrons. You can get the link there in my Instagram and join my close friends. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna be cooking some curry chicken. Yeah, my favorite. Let's go. Alright guys, so the aisle at and something. I go burn the curry. Better for curry guys. I'm gonna add it in the aisle and just let it burn. Turn like a little brown color before we add the meat in. So stay tuned guys. I hope you guys learn how to cook Jamaican curry. Alright guys, so me I go cut up my Irish what is it again? Irish potato and some carrots. I go cut them up first. I'm gonna make the Irish potato cook the kind of cook little you know, take a time to cook. So I'm just gonna get the peel. So I get to peel now. Well wash you guys. Well wash. Well wash it. Okay, right. Leave up here alone. Okay, guys, so we are peel later. Irish potato. I'm gonna add the peel cut to skin almost the same like peel skin. That's a little easier for something there. Let's see. Yeah, mastica. Mastica na dia mastica na net. Hey! You guys, I'm gonna cut them fine and thin as possible, guys. That's the cook. That's fine. Jack! Go ahead! Black and white, they are a killer happy. Other thing come back and yeah, over by make it see. You see happy get up there run. Hey guys, so I cut it as so guys, I go to go them here. So I go put them here near the pot. That's then go and cook. To me come like Irish potato take a while. Okay guys, so we are add it in, we are add them in, make them go and cook down. Cause to me come like then take a while before then cook. So I make them go and cooking with the meat before I put anything else in there. So yeah guys, then go and cook with it. Alright. So I go cut up the carrots now guys. I go cut up carrots. I'm gonna cut up onions. I'm gonna cut up some scallion of course. Pepper. So you know say your curry is spicy. So yeah. That's what I go cut up in there. Just stay tuned guys. So I add in the add in the carrots them. I go add in everything one time because I add in my onion. You can fast guys, I'm all hungry. I'm hungry like a bat. What? Yeah, I'm not good, guys. Yeah, that's it. I know that's it. You know, to overdo it. You see, enough left. Enough use. When you cut it onion, just use the whole iron done because I think a Jamaican onion this string. Been a mistake. What the hell? This damn thing keep on a waste. Get a gun. Come on, man. No bother waste. $200 for a pound. One all the nutrients. And smell up when I can get. Let me pot. Yeah, guys. So we have onion. Onion with green onion. Americans call it green onion. In Jamaican, we call it scallion. Comment down below, guys, and tell me what you call this in your country. We call it scallion. I watched somebody in Walmart and they might call it green onion. So we're adding some scallion for taste. Make your pot smell really good. Tastes really good as well. And guys, you can season up your meat with it before you cook too as well. I'm adding everything I'm never showing you. Now tell me how it look. Hey guys, see me have one pepper. I have one pepper, guys, but I now go cut the pepper and make the pepper catch my hand. I go do it on the cutting board because, guys, pepper no wash off of her hand. And me no intend to scratch no way or touch no way. And this a pepper, yeah, pepper my hand. So I go cut it up and put it in. So, guys, just one thing of pepper me I put in. Pepper. I can't say never go in there, guys. Spicy! It's spicy! Okay, so we're gonna leave this now. Everything cook up and marinate together and just smells nice. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is the curry. Tell me how it looks, guys. This is my curry chicken. Although not see me cook curry chicken before already. Hey guys, this is my curry chicken. Maybe the one we don't know, but that's it, guys. Well, like no